Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity. So everyone know Bangladesh for the garment sectors. We are very big in garments areas. But besides the garments, we have some other sector also like the agriculture sectors. And we are a agri-based economy, agri-based countries. So the AI applications we have started to apply in the garment sectors, in agriculture and food sectors, and also the IT is the given priority for the government parts. Although now we are passing very critical moments because we are having interim government, we have a revolution in Bangladesh. So we are passing very critical time, but even though we are focused on our goal, we have a goal to achieve the sustainable development goal by 2030 and to become a developed country by 2041 is our visions. So achieve that visions, we are working with globally. We have global partners, developing partners who are collaboratively trying to achieve that goal. Ultimately, when a country is developed, it's a development of contribution for the all over the countries. So what we did is we have prioritized the IT sectors, the AI sectors, and we have included course curriculum in different universities and engineering sectors. We have developed lots of arena. Then the government is providing subsidy for the IT-based equipments, IT-based technology adaptations. So this is the priority area. We are trying to focus on the export markets, for the garments area, food area, where we could able to achieve our foreign currency by exporting our products, adopting new technology. So in the garment sectors, we are using AI to identify the defects like the process controls issues. The AI is playing important role, although it might be surprising the country like Bangladesh, it may not be seems that we could able to adopt those technology. But yes, we have globally recognized garments factories who are using this AI technology, and maybe globally 60% of good garments factories are available in Bangladesh. And for the health safety aspects, process defects identifications, and to provide the quality and safety products, we are using this AI in garments area. Besides this, agri sectors is the one of the prioritizing area, because earlier we are solely focusing on the garment sectors. Now we are using this AI technology in agricultural sectors, in the farm like the animal husbandry practices or poultry farms. We are using this AI technology to understand what is the real condition of the water composition in the pond, so that we can understand now the pond has oxygen lacking, so we can control by sitting in the home. And even in the cattle farms, we are also controlling all the issues, and we are monitoring the conditions of the health of the poultry farms. So this technology, we are getting support from our donors and development partners like USDA, USA. They are helping us to by implementing some project. And some research organization, they are also part. And we understand India is a very big development partner for a long time. We are using their support also. So by taking support from everyone's, by taking support from our development partners, we have been taking a lot of initiatives. Government is very much positive and optimistic, and the young generation, they are very focused on their goal. I think the new education system, new dream of Bangladesh, if you can able to adopt to achieve to become the developed country, would be really grateful. And this AI will help us to achieve our goal. Just try to focus some area like who are implementing this success history, like Beximco is one of the company who are already use this technology. BRAC is the largest NGOs. They are using this AI technology in agriculture, in farm, and other area. Buet and Dhaka University as education center, they are trying to popularize this AI based technology and adopting in different areas. I hope if collectively we can grow region based, if we have a policy how we can implement. There are some negative side also, like the frauding, like cyber security is a big concern. So if we can work together globally, then might be this will be very much helpful, and it will help everyone to achieve our future goal. So thank you very much for giving me the opportunity. Look forward to working with you all in future. Thank you very much.